Hi guys, so today I'm going to try and hatch these eggs and see how long they take. They reckon it's going to be, I don't know if you can see that, but it says 12 to 24 hours before the egg starts to hatch. So let's give this a go. We'll start with the little one. It says growing pet. It says do not swallow. So I'll take that off. Put it aside. Put it in here first. And then the big one, and that's a dinosaur egg. Alright, so they feel quite hollow and porcelain-like. I'll put the big one and the little one together and fill it up with water. It says the water needs to be under 35 degrees Celsius or 95 degrees Fahrenheit. So just some nice cool water, filling it up so they are covered. I'm going to need some more in there, all the way at the bottom, but this one is still big, is too big. Alright, so I'm just going to leave these 2 eggs to sit, and then we'll come back in the first 12 hours and see the progress. See if anything started to hatch.